What's up guys, everything in one, back again with another video, and it's time to check out the new OPPO Reno6 Pro Plus, the premium flagship grade smartphone by the company OPPO, and it comes packed with some really great specs that you may love it. Here's the package of the phone, which looks quite similar to what we have seen with latest OPPO devices. Let's quickly open the lid and see what we are getting here. So right after opening the box, the first thing here is a leaflet which contains some documentation like manual and warranty. Moving further, here's the phone itself, the OPPO Reno6 Pro Plus, and it looks quite attractive and premium in terms of design and build. Anyways, let's put this aside and have a look to other stuffs. We're also getting a transparent flexible case along with a SIM ejector. Now here are the main stuffs. A premium USB Type-C cable is here along with a power adapter. This is a super quick 65-watt charger and can full charge your phone within 25 minutes only. Now let's move towards the beautiful phone. Okay, so here's the device and it's looking really good in terms of first impressions. The back of the device is covered with glass layer which gives it that shiny and reflective look. The camera setup is aligned vertically in the top left corner with 3 super large camera lenses accompanied by a tiny macro sensor. As you can see beneath the glass layer, the phone has a metallic finish and it is looking quite gradient. The phone is quite sleek and slim and also lightweight, making it feel quite comfortable in hands. So overall, the rear of the phone looks quite beautiful and there's nothing to be worried of. The phone weighs around 188 grams with a 7.8 mm thickness, and it doesn't come with a headphone jack, which is quite disappointing. When it comes to the front, the phone is equipped with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus flexible AMOLED screen, but sadly you only get 90Hz refresh rate support on board. The display is curved at the edges, which gives it a premium touch, and there's a punch hole cutout on the top right corner housing a 32MP selfie camera. When it comes to the internal hardware, the Reno6 Pro Plus is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset, which is a flagship chip and just a slight less powerful than Snapdragon 888 processor. The CPU is paired with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. There's also a pretty good 4500 mAh battery on board with 65-watt fast charging. The phone comes with Android 11 and ColorOS for the user interface. Coming to the cameras, the Reno6 Pro Plus features an improved camera setup which includes a 50MP Sony IMX766 main camera. The setup also includes a 16MP ultra-wide lens, a 13MP telephoto and a 2MP macro lens. Here are some samples. So let me know what are your opinions about the new OPPO Reno6 Pro Plus in comments below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to do the same for getting all the latest updates regarding our upcoming videos like this. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.